Give your best to the Lord. People often say, when you give something to somebody, give your best. Giving something of your best makes a tremendous effect in your relationship. Yes, it creates an intimate, loving bond between you and the receiver. In the Gospel passage today, we see Mary pours a bottle of costly perfume at the feet of Jesus and about Judas' criticism on her act. Judas commented that the oil could be sold at a higher price and the money could be given to the poor. At the first sight, we may feel that Judas' argument was quite wise and prudent, whereas Mary's was just waste of money, wasn't it? But see what Jesus does. He immediately defends Mary. Jesus says, "Leave her alone. Was she not keeping it for the day of my burial?" Jesus saw the love and sincerity of Mary in her offering, whereas Jesus saw the insincerity and cunningness of Judas. He was pretending as a responsible person. His intention was not pure. When you try to give your best, you will see God's care and support in your life as Mary experienced. When parents raise their children up in Catholic faith, they are giving their best to the Lord and to their children. A terminally sick person offers all the pain and loneliness that he suffers for his own sins and of others with love, is giving his best. A youth, even after so many falls, still makes effort to get up and continue her walk in holiness. She is giving her best. Saint Gianna Molla, during her 4th pregnancy, she was found to have a growth in the uterus and she had to choose either the life of her baby or her own life. She chose the life of a baby and she died days after the birth. See how she gave her best. Our intentions matters a lot. Lord never looks on how great our work is, but He looks with how much love we have done that. Little Teresa of Child Jesus showed us how we can transform our ordinary offerings into the best offering before the Lord. She added more love in all she did. Her intention was pure. The more we love, the more responsible we become. When we get this sense of responsibility, automatically the best will come out of us. The great saint of 20th century, Saint Faustina, when she was filled with the love of God, she felt more responsible towards God. She says in her diary that, "Within me, I feel responsible for all the souls. I feel I am living not only for myself, but for the whole church." The more she loved God, she became more responsible and she offered her best before the Lord. Her best was her holy religious life. So dear friends, let our intentions be pure always. Whatever we do, we shall do it with love. Then we will be able to give our best to the Lord. Amen.